Welcome back to Solo Sail Away. This is Coby coming back at you with another vlog. Today, it's the battle of the party cruise titans, Carnival, the long-reigning party king, versus Virgin Voyages, the bold new challenger on the scene. Can Virgin really steal the crown? Let's find out. Let's kick things off with the first thing everyone wants to know. Carnival is famous for being the budget-friendly choice. You can get 3 to 5 day cruises for under $400 per person, sometimes even less if you catch a deal. But keep this in mind, they'll upsell you on drinks, gratuities, specialty dining, internet. It adds up quick. Virgin Voyages, on the other hand, looks expensive at first glance, but once you break it down, it includes all specialty dining, Wi-Fi, group fitness classes, and gratuities. You're not getting nickel and dime like on Carnival. So Carnival wins for entry-level pricing, but Virgin might give you more value if you plan to eat well and stay connected. Now let's get into the party scene, because that's what this battle is all about. Carnival lives up to its name. Poolside DJs, dance contests, theme parties like White Night and 80s Night karaoke, and the legendary nightclub. The energy is loud, fun, and totally unfiltered. Virgin Voyages flips the script. Think high-end nightclubs like the Manor, edgy events like Scarlet Night where the whole ship turns red, and immersive experiences like dual reality shows. The music hits, the lights are wild, but the crowd is more adult, more chic. So Carnival is your turn-up cruise, Virgin is your curated nightlife cruise. One's a club, the other's a rooftop lounge with a DJ. You can't party on an empty stomach, right? Carnival has your buffet, pizza, Guy's burger joint, which slaps by the way, and a few specialty options for an extra fee. Virgin Voyages no buffets, instead over 20 eateries. Yeah, all included. Think Korean BBQ, vegan, Italian, steakhouse, tapas. Plus, you can order food via the app from almost anywhere on the ship. Drinks. Carnival has drink packages starting around $60 per day. Virgin, you preload bar tab credit. No drink package, but prices are decent. Virgin wins for food quality and variety, but Carnival keeps it simple and familiar. Since this is Solo Sail Away, you know I had to break down which cruise treats solo travelers better. Carnival doesn't really cater to solo cruisers. You'll likely pay a single supplement fee unless you find a sale, and there aren't many solo-specific events. Virgin Voyages, however, has solo insider cabins, no extra cost. And they often host solo mixers, group dining, and events that make it easy to meet people. So if you're sailing solo, Virgin is a better experience hands down. Virgin Voyages is 18 plus only. You won't find kids on board. The vibe leans young professionals, adventurous couples, LGBTQ plus friendly, and solo travelers. So it depends, and if you want a big loud mixed crowd, go Carnival. But if you want adults only with a modern feel, go Virgin. So here's the deal. Carnival is still the king of turn-up cruises, and no doubt, it's affordable, fun, and energetic. But Virgin Voyages, Virgin is that smooth operator, grown and sexy with curated parties, no kids, and all the extras baked in. If you want straight-up fun on a budget, go with Carnival. But if you're looking for a modern, adults-only vibe with luxury and real value, Virgin might just snatch the crown. And if you're a solo traveler, you must check out my other video, Who Really Treats Solo Travelers Better, Virgin Voyages or Royal Caribbean? I break it all down there. To point to screen or gesture for link. Let me know in the comments. Are you Team Carnival or Team Virgin? Or have you sailed both? Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more cruise content, and follow Solo Sail Away for tips, comparisons, and travel vlogs made for solo cruisers and group travelers alike. This is Coby signing off. And until next time, smooth sailing, my friends.